We're here. We're at the Chopporama. I gotta go through the doors. Double door. Fuck! Behind the curtain. Whoa. Yeah. Damn. Like that, right? This is it. Welcome to the ball, folks. Oh! Headbangers ball. Well, made it. Chopporama. The carousel here. Nice ride. Really good ride, actually, to be honest. Super nice. And yeah, we're here now at the old Chopporama. Living our best lives. I got two best dudes at the Chopporama right here. Rich, Tony. We're all just out here hanging. That's it. Just watching them roll in right now. Show Headbangers Ball. They got chandeliers in there and shit. It's pretty fucking wild. Well, let's see what we got here. Gold chains. Woo! Right through that door. Yeah, let's go right in. Grab the fuck out of it. Drive up. Alright, well, we're out here, met up with Tony. And
Gibtown Bike Fest.
Gibtown Bike Fest. Got the shovel head gassed up, ready to go home. Looks like somebody stole your shoes.
Looks like someone stole your seat too.
Those are Air Jordans. I don't know what you're talking about.
Looks like someone stole your seat though.
What are you recording? A video?
Yeah.
You work for YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube, dude.
What's your name?
Flat State Films.
I'll subscribe to you.
Yeah, subscribe to me, dude. Flat State Films.
Okay, I'll turn on notifications. Wait, what do you do for YouTube?
I like motorcycle stuff.
How much followers? I'm a subscriber.
What's that?
How many subscribers do you have?
Like 250,000.
250. Wow. I just got in a fight.
You look like you got into a fight, bro.
And no, the tripping.
Damn, what happened? Who'd you fight?
Okay.
Why?
Because somebody was talking about their mom something.
Damn.
Yeah, he said something about my mom. We had to fight.
Right on. I feel you, dude.
I like your motorcycle.
Thanks, bro.
You don't even know which one's it. Oh, I like both of them. I like this
Dan. Be careful.
Ronnie does.
Met the locals, the local youth out here. Two youths.
Got his special shoes?
Oh my god. My man's just out here shooting the fair one with the sock game tight as a motherfucker. Had dried blood all over him. The kid was like 9 years old.
Like, it's like a group of girls. They don't believe that you don't have, that y'all have, yeah, I can't make it. They don't believe that you have 200, like, whatever, y'all, whatever.
It's a pretty solid day. Got to hang out with some friends, see some cool bikes. All in all, pretty good day, man. Drank a couple beers, and now we're on the way home. I got about another 100 some odd miles to go. So, yeah, I'll check in at another gas stop. Alright, so about 70 miles still from home. Starting to get a little dark, but things have been going good. I gotta get the hell out of here.